It's actually not working. So, hello everyone! Today we're gonna play Roblox, after that Minecraft, because my cousin is online. So, here we go, Roblox we go!
Hi guys, my name is Zuri.
So
I
as
play
you know,
Minecraft.
yes.
Guys, hear this. What? I can hear it.
Sorry for the background noise, but you will meet her later. So as you guys, now you can hear it. As you guys know, you know, we always play this game, World Random Play Dance.
Guys, hear this.
Yeah, we can all hear it too. So come on.
I love you guys. Subscribe to Zachary for 150,000 million subscribers.
I don't know how I'm gonna get that with someone like you. Okay. Oh, I know the song. It's not so bad. Ooh,
Did
dancers
the
are
door
good.
just explode?
What happened? I'm gonna. I can't believe I can just. So we're gonna go back to Zuri now. Oh no.
Go to this world, Zach.
Okay, wait.
Go
Now
to this
where is Minecraft? There it is. Is it right there?
Okay, go to the snow world.
Okay, alright.
I'm here to snow it.
I'm gonna save and quit here. So let's go to Zuri.
I'm here at the cabinet of the...
No, go back to your house.
Where? I'm already here at my... Zach, please don't tell me at...
Oh no, the top exploded. I wonder where did all of my explosives went.
I'm
But
literally here at the
that's
pantry.
okay. You're at the pantry, and I'm literally trying to find my explosives. Okay, flint and steel, as I know it.
Okay, I'm gonna pick our food. Okay, I've already taken. I already picked our food.
There's my TNT. Okay, let's go. Oh my god. No, this is the wrong way. Now I wonder what's the new door that she installed. Come on, one and all, to the grand finale of the TNT fireworks. Don't worry, her house is made out of bedrock. But I haven't think of if we'll reach that place.
Oy,
But it will never.
You just did.
It did not destroy it, but what did you did while I'm gone? Dumas laste. I don't know what you just said, but I posted like my random words. What happened to the ceiling? If you build one of your tables, Suri, I'm literally gonna freak out because I don't have more dough. What's this?
Zach, I can't
What's
put...
this one?
Zach, I can't put on my cake here.
Oh, your cake. Yeah, there. Yeah, you cannot put cake there. Let me see if my cake here. No, you cannot put cake there. Instead, change it with a block. Now put your cake on the block. Put your cake on the block. Put your cake on the block. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Now I'm gonna go back to my explosive.
Okay, put some more blocks. Okay, put some more blocks here outside. We're gonna prepare some cake.
Yeah.
We're gonna prepare some
If
cake.
you're in my server, It's a very explosive time if I'm doing my rampage.
Wait, I can't do it. Look.
That was very loud.
Okay,
Three,
guys, ready.
2, 1, go!
Okay, guys.
Ring the bell! Bye bye TNT, that will explode about itself.
Did you just explode the house? I'm gonna call you again in 3, 2, 1. Finally. Hey, don't elong.
Come on, my last one, yes! Oh! I hit the last one! Hooray, I win! Take that.
This is my side, that's your side. Hey! I hit you. Don't eat it this
Okay. Where's my elytras?
This is your side and this is my side.
Wait! I haven't went yet! Who can finish the cake first wins? Oh, no! Ah! May pa tayong extra! Meron ka pang extra! I win! Okay, time to get my elytra.
I literally Sira in your door.
Oh no! What you're doing?
Thanks. Oh.
No!
I feel the Justina Aris.
Why is it raining? Scaffolding. Floating? Oh no, it's not floating anymore. Now I can get my fireworks.
A big bell.
Yeah. I'm gonna break that later.
Okay, I'm gonna literally sleep behind you. I'm gonna
Why do you have our bed in this place?
oh, Pido. I'm literally putting bunk beds.
Sorry.
Okay, there, my bunk bed.
Now where is my fireworks?
Hey, I have a surprise for you.
Later.
Okay, if you want.
No, wait in my ear. Looks like that snow melted.
There's cake at the roof.
Where? Na. I'm a cake eater. Mine! The last two for me. This is our dinner, right?
No, it's lunch.
Then why is it sunset? I'm gonna do my daily finding. I'm gonna look across the forest if it's safe there.
I'm gonna ring the bell in 3.
It's raining!
Sorry, Zach, I might broke in your door.
What did you say?
Kara, I must sleep. Sleep!
What did you broke it? Oh gosh. Oh, you! No. I'm literally gonna charge you $100 for that.
Zach, take a sleep. It's morning. You're gonna be morning.
Yes.
I'm gonna go outside. Wait. Ah.
At least that TNT didn't explode. Hey! I don't wanna walk.
Okay, leave me here. Fine, I will go.
I'm not. Who is doing that? I did not doing that. Judy, are you doing it again? Oh no.
Especially no.
Yes, dyan.
I think there's a lot of amount of coal and rock copper,
I know si baby girl. Ano yung gagawin?
but no iron.
Oo, may bata. Kinuha yung dede. Lagay sa mesa namin. Nilagay sa sahig. Balik na. Mabuti nga. Hindi pa tinapon na.
Ay, kaya teka.
Ay, matanda pa. Idam, umayos ka nga, Idam.
Zachary?
Tuli. Tato pa kayo.
No.
Tuli. Kaya niyo sa pakating mo po.
1, 2, 3,
Where's the name?
5, 6,
You better
7, 8, 9, 10. Where is Lexi? Where is
Ferrari
I
something
saw your paa, Lexi. Tawa-tawa ka dyan. I see you.
If you're a kaboom, I'm close.
Who first eat the cake? Matthew. Hi, Lexi. Hi. Hi.
I'm the first to eat the cake.
7, 8, 9, 10. Where is Lexi? Where is Lexi? Where
Oh no. So that's the end of the video. It's like that. I wonder why that thing was exploding.
Where is Lexi?
So that's the end of the video. So goodbye. Tomorrow it's gonna be a My Singing Monster 1.
Where is Lexi? Where is
And then it's gonna end pretty quickly. There's a chance you may play Bowmaster. Oh no. Bowmaster.
pa.
Second gun. So that's the end. Bye!